very good. Not once did he cry in the doctor's office. Ay, too much. Yee. My little boy is so good. Now you can kiss the ladies, no?
Kiss the ladies. Huh?
You like kissing the ladies? Open your mouth again.
Open, please, baby boy.
There's no R.
Ouch. There's ouch now? Huh? Finish na eh. Nag-ouch ba?
That was ouch?
Finish na po. Rinse your mouth. Take water.
You rinse, baby. We gargle. It's gargle time.
Come on.
Slowly.
You told Doctora you can gargle very
Too much
well.
water. I will remove little. Okay. Slowly. He cannot reach. I will. Very good. Finish? Huh?
Yeah. You can even do long gargle like that. Like that, no? You're very good at that. Wow. Oh, you're so interested.
Finish. First time niya ba? Or like
First time.